Yearning for a serene escape? Ready to uncover nature's hidden gems? Let's take a tranquil walk through Black River Gorges National Park. Welcome to the heart of Mauritius. Feel the calm as you wander along lush green trails. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, creating a serene backdrop. Each step reveals vibrant flora, exotic wildlife, and breathtaking vistas. Pause by the Black River, reflecting the sky in its clear waters. Black River Gorges offers a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Lace up your walking shoes and join me on this serene adventure. Discover the beauty and calm of Black River Gorges National Park. Until next time, may you find your own path to peace.